Statistics show that 1 out of 8 women will get breast cancer, but breast cancer is not just a concern for women.
Yeah, you might not know this, but less than 1% of men will be diagnosed with breast cancer this year. Mary Nichols has the story of one man who was recently diagnosed with breast cancer in tonight's Check Your Health report.
Last December, I noticed I was kind of itchy and on my left breast.
Jeff Stokes was in the shower when he noticed a strange lump. He called his doctor and tests were ordered. His doctor was concerned that Jeff may have breast cancer. At first, Jeff was skeptical.
Well, of course it's not. I'm a male, so, it's going to be fine.
Jeff had surgery, and test results would confirm his doctor's fear.
And the surgeon called me. He said, interestingly, the results came back and you do have cancer. Wow. The world just fell apart for me. And how am I going to tell my wife this, this just doesn't happen. And
doctors say breast cancer is not as common in men as it is in women. In fact, less than 1% of men will be diagnosed with breast cancer this year.
Women have an overall lifetime risk of 1 in 8 for developing breast cancer, whereas in men, the risk is actually negligible, and that's why we don't ordinarily screen for breast cancer in men.
Dr. Brett Parkinson is a radiologist at the Intermountain Medical Center Breast Care Center. He says most men aren't on the lookout for breast cancer because they think only women are at risk of getting it.
But a man who gets a diagnosis of breast cancer is really surprised.
Jeff certainly didn't think he could get breast cancer. At first, he thought doctors made a mistake.
What went through my mind is, did they get my sample mixed up?
A second surgery revealed that the cancer had not spread. Right now, Jeff is undergoing radiation, and doctors say his prognosis is good. As he battles cancer, Jeff does have some advice for men.
It doesn't seem right. If you feel something in your breast, don't be embarrassed or don't think that it can't happen.
Mary Nichols for Check Your Health.
Well, doctors say that many men will wait to see their doctors because, once again, they just don't think that they can get breast cancer. So bottom line, if you notice something unusual, call your doctor. For more information on breast cancer, just go to our website at KUTV.com and then be sure to click on the Check Your Health link.